So how do you enter into the Google Sheets on an iPhone? Let's explain that and let's get started. So if this is your first time on Foxtecc, check out the rest of the channel videos and subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. So whenever you get inside like a Google Sheet, a spreadsheet like that, you can start a brand new one from scratch. And in order to start editing text to it, what you have to do is at first tap on the individual cell where you want to add the text. And not only have it selected, but you need to double tap on it. So when you double click it, you will get to the text field and the keyboard. You can switch between the letter keyboard and the numbers keyboard and just start typing in the data into the cell. So it gets the job done that way, right? And it just works out very well, actually. Or you can also just have the cell selected and click on the pencil icon in the bottom right, which will perform the very same action. So yeah, as you can see, once you are inside of this like entering mode in the edit, you can just jump around and see that whenever you tap, you can just add some text or like numbers here and there. So it's pretty simple. You can just go back and forth however you like. So that's how it works. In case you have something very specific or something else you wanted to ask, let me know about that below in the comments. I would really appreciate your comments and feedback. So yeah, stay tuned for more upcoming videos about this as well. And I'll see you later. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you in the upcoming videos too.